All right. I'm going to try and take this oil filter off. Without a wrench. Okay, that didn't work. Have to get a wrench. Hold on. We're going to do the 50-hour maintenance requirement. We're going to change the oil filter on this mini excavator. It's a Sany. Down underneath here, there's a plate. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts on it. So I'm going to take that off. That's the first thing I'm going to do. All right, let's get going. All right, what size is that? Nope. All right, it is 16 millimeter. Make sure you're going in reverse there, buddy boy. All right. There we go. Now, let's see what's up underneath there. There it is. There's your oil pan. Okay. What size is that? This is 19 millimeter. Okay. I'll take that out. All right, here we go. Not too bad. I'll release the pressure. There we go. Take the lid off. All right, in the book, I'm under the maintenance section. It says engine oil viscosity temperature data 1540. Right here, I can go down to 5 degrees. I don't think we've ever gotten to 5 degrees. Maybe like 15 degrees, very rarely. So 1540 will work. 1530 will work. 10W. So what I bought, went to Costco. They have heavy duty diesel engine oil, 15W40. So that's what we're gonna use. All right, right there, that is our oil filter. And I drained the oil out, but once I loosen this guy up, it's gonna drip down. So I'm gonna put some paper towels under there just to try and catch anything. I'd like to keep it as clean as possible. You know, it's only got 49 hours on it. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, I got these channel locks. I know I have an oil filter wrench in there somewhere, but I don't know if I can get it on there anyways. It's pretty tight. That's what she said. Come on. All right. Come on, baby. Move for me. Just not big enough. That's what she said. There it goes. Now, all right. Unthreading. I put my watch back on. I just want a little bit of oil on the all right. Put this bad boy on there. There we go. Now, I gotta get a funnel. Always something I forget. Get a funnel. I'm gonna put this on first. Down here it stopped dripping. Put my plug back in. All right. Now I'll go get a funnel. All right, got my funnel. Just wiping any dust off of it. Okay, that's gonna be kind of tricksy, but we'll give it a go. First, we'll try it with the lid on, so I can make sure I can get it. Oh yeah, it's just gonna be kind of weird shot. Gotta love Costco, man. I mean, Warren Buffett invests in Costco. What can go wrong, right? All right, let's check it. The dipstick is right next to the oil filter. Makes it super easy and convenient. Oh, right there. Right in the middle. Yeah, perfect. I'll start it up. Let it run for a little while and then I'll recheck it. Maybe I have to top it off, but pretty good. Good guess. All right, now all I gotta do is put the plate back on and we're good to go.